Awesome touch. Okay, try not to get awkward with that. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today we're going to celebrate all the dads out there with the doTERRA Amavi Father's Day collection. And so this is a great little mini kit that you can buy for yourself if you're a dad, or if you want to get it for your own spouse who's a dad, or your own dad. Hey, there you go. There's lots of different dads in our lives that we can help out with this. But yes, so let's talk about the first product, which I'm going to show right here. Boom, it's the Amavi After Shave Lotion. So this is soothing, it's hydrating, and reduces signs of aging as kind of the main three benefits. And the oils included here are in Budda Wood, tea tree or melaleuca oil, balsam fir, peppermint, and Litsi cuba fruit. And what's great about this aftershave lotion is that it's lightweight, non-greasy formula, and it absorbs quickly into your skin, and its ideal use is for each morning, after shaving, and before bed. Alright, so let's talk about the next product, which is the Onyx Balance Bath Bar. Boom! There you go. So some of the main benefits are that it has the balance blend in it, which is very grounding. It's an artisanal African black soap. There you go, getting a little exotic on you. And it's great for shaving as well. Hey, there you go. The main oils in here are the balance blend. Let's talk about these oils. It's got spruce, it's got oak wood, it has frankincense, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and fractionated coconut oil. All amazingness. Oh my goodness. Alright, getting excited putting that away. So that is another great product for dads out there. And then lastly, there is the Amavi Touch. Awesome touch. Okay, try not to get awkward with that. Alright, so the main three benefits are that it's calming, uplifting, and soothing. There you go. The main oils are the Budda Wood. Hey, Buddha! No? Okay. Then you also have the Balsam Fir Wood, black pepper fruit, Hinoki, and Patchouli, all up in there. There you go. And so both exotic and earthy, this grounding aroma synergistically works with each individual's chemistry to create an elevated personal fragrance experience that's all natural. So I'm going to show it again right here. Boom! There you go. Amazingness. Really awesome as well is that if you enroll in June 2018, that's right, with a 100-point order, which is basically any enrollment kit, and you place a 100-point or more order for the next month, which is July, you get a free lifelong vitality pack, which I'm going to feature right here, which is actually doTERRA's best-selling product. And then also the product of the month is also the Lavender Touch, which is a roll-on option. So that's really awesomeness. And then you also get 10% off of the fennel. So June is an awesome month to not only get started with doTERRA, but also place a loyalty rewards program order, so you can just get more back. I mean, the points that you get back are like oil dollars in your bank account that you can get free oils with. And if you want to learn more about that, you can check out some of my links in the description below so you can get started. Or if you're already with doTERRA, then awesomeness, great job. Love you, keep oiling it up. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and most importantly, again, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, or so you can get started today and get a ton of free products and savings.